Hey out there on YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you can see, normally when we're going to do a review like this, we've got a box, a bag, or something out here. But we've had this one for a little while now. I got it inside a battlbox a while ago, been playing around with it, and I figured it's time to bring it here to the channel. So stay tuned, right after we roll that intro, we're going to get into this blade. So let's roll that intro. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking through that intro. Now as you saw by the opening, we're going to take a look at a knife by legendary designer, and God, I hope I'm going to say his name halfway normal, Liong Mah. And this is his Nook knife. Now this blade, just to give you a little bit of, intro before we get to the good part. This was a collaboration between Liong Mah and battlbox. This was released in the N.B.C box, which I gotta tell you personally, this is the only thing from that box I truly loved. And we're gonna try to leave a card up here that's gonna give you a link right to that video if you want to check it out. But now, enough of me talking. Here's the blade. I love this thing. It's just phenomenal, and you can see by the blade itself here, you can see his inspiration from like samurai swords or Japanese style weapons. But as we usually do, let's go on and get into the stats here. It's got an overall length of 8.375 inches. Closed, it's 4.75, and the blade is 3.625. Now this is what I found interesting. The cutting edge is 3.30 inches. That's the only time I've ever really seen that listed anywhere. Now it's got a hefty weight to it, which I can kind of understand because honestly, it reminds me a little bit overall of the Bastion Braza. I'm going to leave a link to that right up here. Now it's got a weight of 6 ounces. I know, it's just nice, right? So the blade steel, as you can probably see by that right there, it is D2 tool steel. Now this is what made me giggle. Depending where you look, it says the blade grind is compound or it's fine edge. Well, I can tell you the way it's done, I'm saying fine edge. Alright? Now, I like the fact that I've seen this listed as a Tonto style blade. I don't see the Tonto effect other than there's a cross, blade going like that and a straight blade. But this seriously has more of a, like I said, Oriental sword appeal than it does a Tonto blade. It does have a black finish, as you can see right there. It has a frame lock. And it's got a one position, you can reverse it, so you can carry it left, right, but it's only tip up. It does have a ball bearing system in there that just helps open it butterily smooth. Now, on the handle, it's stainless steel, but it's bead blast finish. I really, truly like how it looks overall. I mean, it fits great, it fits wonderful, and it has this neat little function. As you can see right in here, it's got moon glow inserts, especially here on the back spacer. Now what I like is they gave a little ultraviolet light. So hold on a sec, I'm going to dim some lights. I know, it probably didn't show off a bunch, but basically, and I thought it fit the theme beautifully, it gives you a little light, charge it up, and it glows in the dark. Not to mention on the inside, you just run it back and forth a little bit. And now your whole blade is glowing. I thought that was freaking sweet. I thought, seriously, that's the only thing within that N.B.C box that was even worth a crap. Now, it will pick up, sunlight, and it will charge it up. So that's kind of cool in itself. And yes, it is made in China. So let me get some lights back on. Okay. Now, what I found funny was on Liong Mah's website, he said that these were going to be exclusive to battlbox. But he had asked, Daniel Dabbs, can he have a couple, to sell on his own website? So the initial investigation is this is the only place you're going to get them. But I did find it over on Blade headquarters, and I found it on knifecenter.com. Now, out on Liong Mah's website, it's $125 plus shipping. Blade headquarters is going to run you $100, and over on knifecenter.com, it's normally $125. But as of filming this video, I believe it's May 10th or so. It's $109.95, and it's normally $125. Now, I couldn't find any ratings for it over on Blade headquarters or on Liong Mah's website, but it was rated 5 out of 5 with 2 reviews on knifecenter.com. Guys, I gotta tell you, I like it. It took me a little while to get used to it because it's different for me. You know, it's got the 2 sets of jimping here, which I think is great for like the up close work. But seeing how it's more of a exclusive, I'm really not going to be everyday carrying it. I'm going to try to keep it in as good shape as possible, and maybe one day, you know, one of my kids, when I pass on, will sell this thing and hopefully get a buck or two. But, you know, that's my quick look at this thing, guys. I'd like to know what you think down below, like usual. If you're a first-time viewer of my channel, thank you so much for taking a moment of your time today to view one of my videos. It means something to me that you chose mine out of everybody else's that are out there on YouTube. Now, you're going to be seeing a symbol popping up right over here. Go ahead and click on that. All the cool kids are doing it. All the awesome kids are doing it. You know you want to. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you click on that subscribe, make sure you hit that bell icon that's right next to it. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 of them are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Nook. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.